Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's herb, fruits, vegetable, balcony, hottest and advice on how well to promote plant growth, and also some of the herbs and vegetables you can incorporate in your dishes for a holistic and good lifestyle. So I hope you're all doing well. My name is Ayesha and this is my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to repot some of your plants within the garden, so especially in a very big container. So this container is normally used for bigger purposes around the house. So because it's very big and I don't want it to contain so much soil, I decided to put a bit of, this is corn husk, and this is my palm from pruning and other stuff, just to cover the bottom bit. And then I'm just going to add in some soil. And I'm just going to add in some soil. And then I'm just going to, this is some eggshells. I'm just going to pour in some eggshell to make the soil as rich as possible. So when you use your eggshells in the kitchen, don't throw it away. Just wash it with soapy water, allow it to air dry nicely, and then you blend it in your blender, and then you store it. And you can incorporate it in your garden because eggshells contain so much nutrients, calcium, potassium, so many sodium, so many essential nutrients. So as you can see, I'm incorporating it nicely in the soil. Beautiful. And if you have perlite, you can add it as well. The role of perlite is to allow aeration in your soil, so you can just incorporate it as well. So now we are done. We're gonna try to pot the plants now nicely. So guys, look at our rooting system. This is our Hygiene. As you can see, it has a very good rooting system. I'm just gonna try and loosen up the roots of it. Yeah. It's a very good rooting system. And then I'm just going to loosen it up so that I can take all the goodness from the soil. Guys, can you hear the tweeting of the birds? The birds are tweeting. Yeah. So guys, I've repotted my palm and yam in another bigger pot, as you can see. And this is how the top is looking like. Yeah, I'm going to water it later, because if I water it right now, it's going to be very heavy for me to carry, and I wouldn't be able to do so. So yeah, so I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up for like, comment, subscribe, turn on your bell icon, and share the video to support my channel. Thank you if you like my content. Take care. Bye.